Okay, welcome back to my channel. So we have to continue with this duct sizing. So you can see the 12,000, the CFM for this machine is 12,000. Okay, so each space how much CFM. Here you can see for the barber room 1042, 1152, and here is 696692490. All the space CFM is given here. What you are going to do, you just design the duct. Okay, so I'm going to use text here. Use leader line command. Type LE like that. Like this, you can take the leader line. Okay, just copy the text from here, place it here. Okay, now you can use the text sizer tools like text sizer. So the total CFM for this area will be 12,000 CFM. Okay, so what will be the CFM in liter per second? So just convert divided into 2.119 divided by 2.119. So you can get the CFM, you can get the airflow in liter per second. Here 5663 is the liter per second. So just convert this in metric. Use here 5663. Okay. Go to the international system. Just use 12,000 CFM. Okay. I'm going to use 12,000 CFM. And head loss, I'm going to use 0.08. Here now you can see the duct size. You can check, just convert, go to the unit, convert in metric system, so the duct size will be in mm. So I'm going to use, I'm going to fix one height, so I'm going to use 650. So you can see here the width of the duct is 1175. So this is the standard size. So I'm going to take 1200. Okay, 1200 by 650. There you go. So here you can type, double click, use SAD, apply a duct, 1200 by 650. Okay, at 1000, 12,000 CFM. Okay, there you go. Now you can see how many CFM is passed from this diffuser, which is 1042. So open your calculator and 12,000 minus 1042. It will be 10958 divided by 2.119. So it will be in liter per second 5171. Open your text sizer, enter here 5171, and then fix the duct size. So you can check here, automatically the duct size is going to be changed, which is 650 height and 1100. Copy this text. Place it here, double click to edit. 1100 by 650 at 10958 CFM. 10958. Okay, now one more. The CFM 1152 is passed from this diffuser. So what will be the duct size here? Just copy this text and leader line. Place it here and deduct 1152 from 10958. So I'm going to deduct 10958 958 minus 1152. It will be 9806. 9806, double click. 9806. Okay. How much it will be in liter per second? So just divide into 2.119. It will be 4628 liter per second. So open your duct sizer, place it here, flow rate 4628. Okay, liter per second. And once you enter the flow rate, so you can see the duct size is going to be changed automatically here. So the duct size will be 1000 by 650. Similarly, for these places, what will be the duct size? So just copy this text, place it here. Okay, so you can see here, therefore, there are 7 diffuser for this all area, for this entire area, and the total CFM is 6692. So each diffuser, how much will be the CFM? So just divide 6692 with 7. So each diffuser CFM is 956. So here you can see the two diffuser in this branch. So 956, 956. So it will be into 2. It will be 1912. Just subtract 9806 minus 1912. So 9806, it will be 7894. Here will be 7894. Okay. So 7894 just divide with 7894 divided by 2.119. It will be 3725 liter per second. So open your duct sizer. Enter the flow rate here 3725. So you can see the duct size, height, width of the duct automatic change. So 650 height, 850 width. So here is 850 by 650. Okay. Similarly, for these places, how much will be the duct size? So I'm going to use copy command, type CO, place it here, and you can see 1014 is passing from these two diffusers. So just subtract the 1014 from 787894. So 7894 minus 1014. Okay, 6880. So here the CFM will be 6880. 6880. How much it will be in liter per second? So this divided with 2.119. So it will be 3247 liter per second. Open your duct sizer here, 3248, 3248, 3247 liter per second. You can see the duct size is 650 by 750. So double click to edit. Here is 750, 650. Next, copy this one. What will be the duct size here? So here you can see 958 one diffuser. So the whole diffuser, how much? 6692. Here 6692 divided by 7. So one diffuser is 956 into 5. It will be 4780. So 6880 minus 4780 minus 6880. It will be 2100 CFM. Yeah, 2100 CFM. How much it will be in liter per second? So just divide with 2.119. 991. 2100 divided by 2.119. It will be 991 liter per second. Open your duct sizer, enter here flow rate 991 and change the height of the duct. Okay, so I'm going to change it to 400 or make it 450. So you can see the duct size is 450 by 450 here. Double click to edit 450 by 50. Okay. Next, the duct size we have to calculate at this places. So just copy this one, place it here, and you can see 1490 is CFM passed from this to diffuser. So 2100 minus 1490 minus 1490. Okay, so it will be 610. You double click to edit 610 CFM. So how much will be in liter per second? So divide with 2.119. It will be 287 liter per second. So open your duct sizer, enter here 287 and change the height of the duct. So I'm going to make it 350 or 300. So 250 by 350. Okay, I'm going to give 250 by 350. 350 by 250. Next is the duct size we have to calculate here. So just copy this one, place it here, and you can see 490 is passed. So how much will be the CFM? So 610 minus 490. 490, it will be 120 divided by 2.119. So 56 CFM only. Open your duct sizer. Here is 56. And you can see 150 by 150. The duct size here 150 by 150. 150 by 150. Okay. So 120 CFM. 120 CFM. Okay. So here the entire is same. Okay. So now for the remaining is the branches. So branches we have to do in the next tutorials. So please be with me and keep watching my video. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you.